Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off the auto start for the Metal TV application on your device like your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let us guide you through this. So there are two ways how you can do this. First option, you launch the Metal TV app, navigate to your account and click into that gear icon in the bottom left. Then here on the left hand side, scroll all the way down till you get to the Windows OS settings here to the left. And then guys, make sure that the automatic startup is disabled. For me at least, it was enabled on default. So whenever I launched my computer, the Metal TV app has been or gets started as well. So you need to turn this off, right? Option number two, you navigate to your task manager and then go to the processes and then click into startup here and look for the Metal TV app. Right, click into it with your right mouse and disable the auto start. As you can see, the interface language is not English for me, but it will be in your operating system's language. The same menu, click into the auto start tab here, right click into the process, which is Metal TV, and select turn off. That is going to turn off the auto start for the Metal TV app. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.